President, first of all, I would like to thank Mr. Pak on a well-balanced and realistic and friendly report. First of all, friendly because it's trying to help the country to become a normal and functioning country. It has been organized on the basis of Dayton Peace Agreement. Peace Agreement is no sound basis to organize the country, and it should be revised. These are the constitutional reforms suggested in the report. I wouldn't dream, and I don't think anybody here would, of suggesting the people in Bosnia and Herzegovina what kind of federation or country they should have there. This is their business. They should decide upon that, not we. But they should decide that they should have one country, whatever the country would look like. There are hundreds of problems with hundreds of ministers, different attitudes, and primarily political elites who do not accept compromises as a means of functioning. They should have a consensus on the European part, but compromise on everything else. There is one part of the report which I do not agree with. The report suggests that privatization should be accelerated in the country. I don't think they need that. They have enough problems without privatization at the moment, problems with corruption, organized crime, trafficking, whatever problems with their neighbors. They don't need another problem with the abrupt privatization in this situation. Thank you very much.
Ms. Koppa.